Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to enable dual connection for the headphones Soundcore Space Q45. So I connected the headphones to my Android device. Now open the application, go to Settings, Device List and click on Dual Device Connection. Switch, because I have enabled dock, so we should switch to another one. Now click Connect New Device and click on your second device, click on the headphones. Cool. And now, as you can see, we have two devices here. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.